Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I will be showing you how inheritance works with Python. So I have created here two class, that is one is child parent class and the other one is child class, and I will show you how these two are interlinked and the result can be obtained from both the classes. Okay, so first is the parent class, nothing but office stuff with an object, and I'm initializing the constructor, nothing but initializing self and that name, sap and age. This is the objects here. Self.name equal name, self.id equal to sap, self.age equal to age. This is nothing but I'm just defining it. Okay. So now whenever this function will be called for class, so these are the things will be done. Nothing but self.name, self.id and self.age. So these three objects will be returned whenever the class office stuff is being called for. Next is like I will be creating a class called child, that is class employee, and here the parent class is object here. There is nothing but office stuff, right? You can see there is office stuff. I have the office stuff here. Now I will be initializing this class, that is nothing but a constructor. Def init self that name sap age and salary. So in this case, if you see, I have added a new object that is a salary here. So now I'll be initializing the parent class here, that's office stuff dot init self name sap and age, and I will be getting the salary here, self dot salary equal to self salary. Fine. Now for the child class, I will be creating a function for getting the salary here, because for others we already have here name sap and age, so I need to name sap and age. For the salary, I will be defining a function get self return self or salary. Now just driver code, amp equal to employee, and if you see the name xxx, then his sap id, age and the salary. So print amp.get details, right? So print amp.get details means this is going to return this. So self.name, self.id and age, and amp.get cell. This is nothing but it's going to return self.salary. So let's see the output. So here if you see, I'm getting xxx the name, then the sap id, salary, age and the salary. So this is how guys parent child class works. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know.